Hey everyone, so this is my social class media analysis with Mike Rowe. I decided to go with episode 3, season 2, and it's titled Cheesemaker. The context of this episode began at a zoo. It kind of demonstrated how they have to clean up and what they feed the animals. After that, Mike visited a cheesemaker. It demonstrated the time-consuming process to being a cheesemaker, and he also visited someone who worked on a volcano, and he went in a volcanic ash mud bath. I think the complexity to this is no one thinks of the jobs people do at the zoo, like cleaning up after all of the animals and the bigger meals that some animals like tigers have to eat. I had never heard of a volcanic ash bath. Normally you just hear of like a mud bath. And I also had never heard of someone who works at a place to produce volcanic ash baths. I also eat cheese every day, and I know many people do enjoy cheese, but I've never heard of anyone say they wanted to be a cheesemaker, which is weird because I see cheese in a store every single day. I think that the main voice of all of these videos is Mike Rowe. He is in every episode, but I believe that the zoo workers, cheese workers, and volcano workers are another main source of the episode, just because they're different types of workers. But the main voice would be different social classes. Lastly, I think that the authenticity of this lesson is understanding a deeper level. Mike Rowe makes each episode authentic by doing the jobs with people who hold the positions. He's doing everything each step of the way with these people, and he seems like he's genuine because he's trying to understand what they do on a day-to-day basis. And I can say I have a deeper appreciation for each of these workers. I definitely think that it shows excellent journalism. I think Mike Rowe does a fantastic job in each of his episodes. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.